Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes using Cash App Taxes. It's a fantastic, free service for both federal and state returns, making tax season much less stressful. Whether you have a simple W-2 or need to report unemployment income, Cash App Taxes has you covered. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through every step of the process, ensuring you don't miss anything important. Let's dive in and see how easy it can be to get your taxes done. To begin, simply open Cash App and navigate to the Taxes section, or visit the Cash App Taxes website. You'll either create a new account or log in if you've used it before. Have your personal details and all income documents, like W-2 forms, ready. A great feature is the ability to import W-2 information directly from many employers, saving you time and reducing errors. If your employer isn't listed, don't worry. You can easily enter the details manually. Once your basic information is set, the next step is to accurately report all your income. This includes wages, self-employment earnings, and any other taxable income. Cash App Taxes then helps you find potential deductions and credits that could reduce your tax liability. For instance, you might qualify for deductions like student loan interest or certain educator expenses. Take your time to review each section carefully, ensuring all your financial information is entered precisely for an accurate return. The final, crucial step is to thoroughly review your entire tax return. Cash App Taxes includes built-in checks to help catch common errors before you submit. Take a few extra minutes to double-check all numbers and personal details. Once you're confident everything is correct, you can electronically sign and submit both your federal and state returns directly through the platform. You'll receive confirmation once your returns are successfully filed, giving you peace of mind that your tax obligations are met.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.